Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest construction tools on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best construction tools of all time. To like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: Toughbuilt Scraper Utility Knife. The Toughbuilt Scraper Utility Knife, along with its included 5 blades, is a versatile tool designed to tackle a variety of cutting and scraping tasks with ease. This utility knife is crafted by Toughbuilt, a company known for producing high-quality and durable tools for professional and DIY use. The Scraper Utility Knife features a robust construction, ensuring long-lasting performance in demanding environments. Equipped with a sharp blade, the Toughbuilt Scraper Utility Knife excels at cutting through various materials, ranging from cardboard and plastic to carpet and drywall. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, allowing users to work efficiently and safely for extended periods. Additionally, the knife's quick blade change mechanism facilitates easy blade replacement, enhancing productivity on the job. Whether you're a tradesperson, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, the Toughbuilt Scraper Utility Knife offers reliable performance and durability to meet your cutting and scraping needs. With its combination of strength, precision, and ease of use, this tool is a valuable addition to any toolbox or workbench. Product 2. Product name: Push to Unlock. Push to Unlock appears to be a product or feature associated with a set of Caterk 6 PCS, a 1/4-inch hex shank aluminum alloy screwdriver bit holder. This product seems to offer a convenient and lightweight solution for quickly changing screwdriver bits. The Push to Unlock feature likely allows users to easily release or change the bits with a simple push mechanism, enhancing efficiency and ease of use. Additionally, the inclusion of a black carabiner suggests portability and convenience, making it easy to carry the toolset on a keychain or attach it to a bag or belt loop. This product seems targeted towards men, potentially as a tool gift, indicating its suitability for DIY enthusiasts, craftsmen, or anyone who frequently uses screwdrivers. Overall, Push to Unlock seems to offer a practical and user-friendly solution for quick bit changes, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Product 3. Product name: Spec Ops Tools Tin. Spec Ops Tools Tin Inch is a rugged nail puller, also known as a cat's paw pry bar, crafted from high-carbon steel. This tool is designed to efficiently extract nails, staples, and other fasteners from various surfaces with precision and ease. Its durable construction ensures longevity, making it a reliable addition to any toolkit. What sets Spec Ops Tools Tin apart is its commitment to supporting veterans. A commendable 3% of the proceeds from sales are donated to veteran causes, making it not just a tool for practical purposes, but also a means to contribute to the well-being of those who have served their country. In summary, Spec Ops Tools Tin is not just a nail puller. It's a symbol of durability, precision, and social responsibility, making it a valuable asset for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Product 4: Nickroo Carpenter Pencil with Sharpener. The Nickroo Carpenter Pencil with Sharpener is a versatile tool designed specifically for carpenters, architects, and anyone involved in woodworking or construction projects. This set includes mechanical pencils in black and red colors, which are essential for marking and sketching on various surfaces, especially wood. One standout feature of this set is the inclusion of a sharpener, ensuring that your pencils remain sharp and ready for use at all times. This sharpener helps maintain the precision and accuracy required for intricate woodworking tasks. With 26 refills included, users can rely on a steady supply of lead to keep their work flowing smoothly without interruption. The deep hole marker design of these pencils ensures long-lasting use, even in rugged working conditions common in construction sites or woodworking workshops. The heavy-duty construction of these pencils makes them durable and resilient, capable of withstanding the demands of demanding projects. Additionally, the set comes with a convenient case for easy storage and transportation, ensuring that your pencils and accessories remain organized and accessible wherever you go. Product 5. Product name: GMS Portable Power Distribution Unit. The GMS Portable Power Distribution Unit, PDU, residential contractor kit, commonly referred to as the Green PDU, represents an all-in-one solution for temporary power distribution needs in residential construction settings. Designed with versatility and efficiency in mind, This unit offers a comprehensive approach to managing power requirements on construction sites. Key features of the GMS Portable Power Distribution Unit include all-in-one solution. The unit integrates multiple functionalities into a single package, eliminating the need for complex setups or multiple components. This streamlines the process of establishing temporary power infrastructure on construction sites. Residential Contractor Kit. Tailored specifically for residential construction projects, the Green PDU addresses the unique power requirements commonly encountered in such settings. From powering hand tools to providing electricity for lighting and small appliances, it covers a wide range of applications essential for contractors. Versatile Power Distribution. Equipped with multiple outlets and receptacles, the unit offers flexibility in distributing power to various devices simultaneously. This versatility ensures efficient utilization of available power resources while minimizing downtime during construction activities. Portability and mobility. Featuring a compact and lightweight design, the Green PDU is easily transportable between different job sites or locations within a construction site. Its mobility enhances convenience and allows for rapid deployment wherever temporary power is needed. Durability and safety. Built to withstand the rigors of construction environments, the unit prioritizes durability and safety. Robust construction materials and adherence to industry standards ensure reliable performance and mitigate risks associated with electrical hazards. Product 6. Product name Family Clock Gardening Gloves. The Susby Laser Level 3x 360-degree cross-line laser is a highly advanced tool designed for construction projects and precise picture hanging. Its main feature is its ability to emit three 360-degree green laser lines simultaneously, ensuring comprehensive coverage and accuracy in all directions. This level of precision makes it suitable for various applications, including laying tiles, installing shelves, aligning cabinets, and more. One notable aspect of the Susby laser level is its self-leveling capability, which ensures that the laser lines remain perfectly horizontal and vertical regardless of the surface's unevenness. This feature saves time and effort by eliminating the need for manual adjustments, resulting in more efficient workflow and precise results. Equipped with 12 green lasers, this tool provides clear, high-visibility lines even in brightly lit environments, enhancing visibility and reducing the chances of errors. The use of green lasers further improves visibility over longer distances compared to traditional red lasers, making it suitable for large-scale projects. Product 7. Product name MSIO MultiTool. The MSIO MultiTool is a versatile and compact tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, campers, hikers, and anyone in need of a reliable multi-tool for various tasks. With its 21 functions packed into a single stainless steel pocket knife, it offers convenience and utility in a portable package. This multi-tool features a range of tools including a screwdriver sleeve, self-locking pliers, knives, saws, bottle opener, and more, making it suitable for a wide array of tasks and situations. Whether you're out in the wilderness, camping with friends, or facing simple repair jobs at home, this tool aims to meet your needs with its diverse functionality. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, capable of withstanding the rigors of outdoor use. Additionally, the self-locking mechanism adds an extra layer of safety and stability while using the pliers or other tools. Included with the multi-tool is a sheath for easy and safe carrying, allowing you to keep it within reach whenever you need it most. Overall, the MSIO MultiTool offers a comprehensive solution for various outdoor activities, survival scenarios, camping trips, hiking adventures, and everyday tasks requiring a reliable tool.